To hell with it. Might as well. I got this 18 Niro. I'm gonna show you how to do the remote starter, but professional installation only. Had to get all this out. Glove box, push to start panel, to get to these 3 plugs. This is a plug-and-play harness. It is but it has to be programmed. This guy. This guy has to be programmed by a professional. So, this is professional use only. I'm not sure if I'm really a qualified professional, but I'd like to say 20-something years might lead you to 3 plugs. So you still got to program it. So again, this is professional use only. I guess this would be informational only. If you can get it yourself, go right ahead. You got to plug these guys in. So let me plug these guys in and see what happens. So hang tight. Now you would think it's just a plug and play. Now, how do you hide all that? Not to mention the 4 bolts you had to get out of the way to get these 2 to get away from each other, because you can't get to the plugs. They're literally at the firewall. So I'm going to take this and show you from the beginning, but I got to fight this to put these guys back. So this is going to be fun. So hang tight. See what happens. All right, well, that wasn't so bad. I had to push the harnesses that way. Let's see if I can get my finger in this thing. Oh, wait, yeah, that way. So off to that side and tuck it in away. You see how they all interlock? This one goes up into that one, you see? This one goes up on this one, so you gotta go up and out, right? And there's another one that way. Where you at? Where you at, buddy? Let me put it in, I'll show you. It goes right up there, pointing that way. To get these wires out of the way. I'll put it all back and I'll show you. So we have 4. 1, 2. And the 4th one is, see the head right there? Yeah, you see him right there, edge of my finger? This way. It goes this way with a ratchet. And it's fine thread, so once you loosen it up, you can get it out. But I'm gonna tuck her somewhere up in here. But let me finish putting the bolts in, and we'll get to that. There she goes. I just jammed her up there. I'm gonna grab one zip tie right there. That guy right there. Zip tie it to everything. This puppy ain't going nowhere. So just gotta run a wire to the parking lights. And that's all she wrote. I don't know if I should continue. I'll show you the parking lights. I'll show you. All right, so I hid it up here for now. I had to extend the wire. Just pull the carpet back and tuck her. But I extended it. I have to. Gotta go all the way over there. So, hood wire from DEI, always good. Spare wire. Got laying around. You gotta jump over. This panel just pops off. Clip, clip. Where you at? Where is she anyway? Right here. There you are. There's a little track right there. Pull her. Just put your finger underneath and pop. Same thing on the other side. So let's go extend. We got 1 screw already taken out. You gotta get this guy off. Start by hand. Start by hand and grab something like this guy. Get up under. You could probably, if you got a good pull of it, it just snaps in, which reveals screw here. There's another one right there. Oh, my shoulders. So let's get them out to get to the headlight switch. All right, paying attention? It is not the headlight switch. It is technically the wiper switch, which is connected to the headlight switch. And there's 1 plug plugged right into it. There you go. Strip the wire back. I'm gonna poke a hole secure the wire somewhere, somehow. Run it up so it's away from all these moving components. Come up this wire right here. Come up the wire and then jump it in. Come on, focus, focus! So that should be it. You still got to program it. Again, this is a professional install. Got to program it. Got to program tack, and we're going to do 3 times lock. So let me go do that and finish her up by showing you how it works. But before I do that, here's the argument. Do you tape it? Do you zip tie it? Or do you just leave it because you're the only one who knows it's there? I can zip tie it, waste plastic. Sure. But I wrapped it around the wire. What's the big deal? Plug her back in and you're good to go. Next is finalizing. So let's go play with that. Okay. All buttoned up. And we did 3 times lock for this one. Module's right there. Let's see what happens. So we got, come on, focus. Lock. 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 Ooh, I got something. Oh, this is a hybrid, so oh, there's the motor. It's locking. We got liftoff. Check turn signal. Go and do that next. Yep. So, there she goes. Gonna put her all back together. We don't care, but we're gonna make sure it works. So, let's look at 346 and my finger. So we got 1, 2, 3. All right, now she's off. Ha! Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.